Let's discuss the main sprinkler system types from an NFPA 25 point of view. However, if you want to learn about the design and operation of these system types, you can check my YouTube channel Irfan CFPS. Before we move ahead, do subscribe to my channel to learn more about fire protection system design. Wet pipe sprinkler system, in which pipes are always filled with water, and it's the most common system. Common issues checked would be control valves are in correct position, no signs of leakage or visible corrosion on pipes, sprinkler heads are clear of obstructions, not painted, not damaged, alarms activate properly when water flows, drain valves operate as expected, pipes internally free of blockage. Dry pipe sprinkler system, in which pipes are filled with air or nitrogen under pressure, water enters only after sprinkler activation. Common tasks would be like air or nitrogen pressure is stable and within design limits, control valves are inspected and functional, trip testing ensures water reaches the system within required time, condensation is properly drained from low points, check for internal corrosion or blockage in pipes. Pre-action sprinkler system. It is the combination of sprinkler system piping with a detection system. Water is held back until both detection and sprinkler activates. Our key focus in pre-action system would be on the pre-action valve. We need to confirm that pre-action valve and detection system are operational. Visual checks for pipe condition and valve accessibility. Ensure detection system activates before water release. Trip testing to verify correct sequence of operation. Check that all tamper and supervisory switches are working. Deluge systems, in which all nozzles are open type, water discharges across the area when detection system triggers the deluge valve. Our main focus should be on few points, like we should confirm deluge valve operates when triggered, ensure detection and releasing mechanisms are clean and functional, open nozzles should be clear and corrosion free, system must be kept dry until activation, valve checks are critical, check for any signs of wear or system damage. Day 4, we will cover the common fire sprinkler system deficiencies, which will be a valuable topic especially in NFPA 25 training series. Sprinkler type doesn't matter if it's not maintained. Failure is always a failure. Thanks for watching my video. If you want to learn more about fire protection design, you can check my YouTube channel Irfan CFPS. Also click the notification icon along with the subscription button to get more updates whenever I post any video related to the firefighting and fire alarm systems.